Alex. Alex, I can fix this.
You lied to me. You lied to my wife. You're working for the people that are trying to kill me. You want me to trust you,
Alex,
Doctor?
I can go to the press. Alex, I can tell them the whole story. Alex! Listen to me, please! Alex!
What the hell? Give all our systems a green light. For Christ's sakes, get Sellers on the phone.
Roger that.
Damn.
Look at this city. So beautiful. It's become so peaceful. I wish I had some good news for Detroit. I have very sad news. Despite our best efforts to save him, Alex Murphy passed away just hours ago. Alex Murphy.
Mr. Sellers,
What is it?
Maddox just called. We need you to come with us now.
Ma'am, I need you to turn around and go the other way, please.
What are you talking about?
We have a security situation here. I need you to turn around and go the other way.
Sir, there's a car outside.
That area is locked down. Now go.
What's happening?
I said go.
I want to talk to Mr. Sellers.
Mr. Sellers.
How close is that helicopter?
About 10 minutes, sir.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I need to speak with Sergeant Jack Lewis. It's an emergency.
Stand by. Mr. Sellers, apparently there's a Clara Murphy in the lobby.
Raymond, if she sees him, we are dead in the water.
What do you want to do?
Bring Mrs. Murphy up here.
Yes, sir.
Norton said they may be using drones for protection. So whatever you do, do not draw your weapons. They won't shoot if we're unarmed. Clear?
Clear.
Clear.